So, hello guys! Welcome back sa panibagong video. So, ngayon kasama ko si Jaja at si Jake. So, maglalaro kami ng Verity Horror. Ngayon maglalaro kami ng horror dito sa Roblox. So, bago tayo magsimula, ang tatlo nag-comment sa comment section ay isi-shoutout ko. At ito sila. Kyrovin, Keram William, Bim Elitot. So, ayun lang. Let's go! May cutscene. Yo! Nandito na tayo. Naliliit nyo.
Mas maliit ka.
Mas maliit ba ako? Pare-parehas lang ata tayo. Anong gagawin natin dito? Look, an apple. I forgot we're on the table. Oh, ito apple daw. Ba't an apple? Okay, nasa si Sino yung nagsasalita? Si Ethan. Find the bathroom. Dito bathroom.
Here, bathroom.
Mag-ano pala ako, mag-e-evac. Yo, yung pinto. Basta ta.
Look.
Answer the door. Uy, may kumahatok pala, may kumahatok. Answer the door.
Look, a box.
Uy, may box.
I wonder what's inside the box.
Ooh.
I'm Verity, your personal helper fan. Ask me anything. I know everything. If you have any questions, I will answer them.
What did I eat today?
Verity? Ba't may random tayo, package?
Oh,
Ethan?
that's not what I said.
No, do you know that?
He knows everything, guys. No way.
Oo, nag-message siya yung face niya. Yo,
Okay.
wow, that's cool. Since you're here, wanna come with me? Yes, yes.
Us, man.
Where are we going? Saan tayo pupunta? Umugulong siya. Ang kulit. Tara, dito sa baba.
Get in the car.
Let's go, let's go, let's go.
Get in.
Let's go.
There.
Ayan, punta na tayo. Mag-drive na tayo.
Going to a car, guys. Let's go.
By the way, since we're going to the market, what do you like? I like eating human. What the heck?
Oh, donuts.
I like eating donuts. I talk human. Kala ko human yung kinakain niya.
You
What's
gotta
the
buy
market?
donuts now.
Dito tayo dito
Gotta
sa
buy
market.
donuts. Oh, donut.
Oh,
Donut.
donut.
Donut. Dr. Donut.
Blocking donut.
Did that.
Hindi Dunkin' Donut, blocking.
Donut.
Blonkin donuts.
Yo.
Let's
boss
buy it.
man.
Dito.
Hey, bro. Hey.
Dito.
Son.
Yo.
No way.
Okay, seller. Good evening, just this donut? Yes. Just that is for my new
I'm
friends.
the southern man.
Hello, I'm Verity, your personal helper fan. Ask me anything. I know everything.
know.
If you have any questions, I will answer them.
Ulul. Ay. Then what did I eat? Because one or two donuts.
I know.
Yo. Alright, have a good night. Okay, anong mukha yan? You too.
I'm stuck. Help.
There's a fruit stand next to this store.
Help me.
Great, then let's buy there. Okay, I do not recommend that. Why? The seller usually scam people. If you see someone distracted, then let's go somewhere else. Oh no!
Bro, I can't do anything. Help. Agile.
This is a terrible idea.
Agile.
I distract him, you take the fruit. That's stealing. Ooh! He was going to scam you first. Ooh! Ano? Wala, yan na, umalis na siya. Tara, mabuli natin.
Mr. Brazilian man. Go get distracted. Yes. Go get distracted.
Where are you going? Where are you going? I need to get back to the car now. Punta na tayo, Cha. Bilisan mo.
Get me.
Bili, Cha. Pasok. Yun. Iniwan natin si Verity. I end up leaving Verity behind. Okay. With that guy chasing me, there wasn't much I can do. I hope he can survive on his own. But sino kasi kumuha ng Verity na yan? May kumuha dun eh. Iniwan nga ni Ethan. Kasi nga, masyadong sleep na tayo. Okay, sleep na. Ooh, can you hear me? No. You can't. Yes, me. No, I don't. It's make no difference. Do you want to see something? No. Even so, will you remember this? No. You will remember. I devoured... Oh, humans! Yo, ano to? Kinakain niya yung humans. What strange dream? Yes. What is that noise? Oo nga, may maingay. Investigate the strange noise. Finally, you show up. I was looking for you. Takbo. Yo, anyari? Asa si Ethan? Where's Ethan? Asa si Ethan? I'm going back to sleep. Good night. Poor dormer. Sleep, go back to sleep. Sleep, bilisan mo. Back to sleep. Back to sleep. Day 2. Yup. May timer. Oh.
Oh my god.
Severity.
Something is coming in 3 days.
Something's coming in 2 days? What do you mean? You're joking, right? Ano to? May hunger tayo, may thirsty, may pera, pati may oras. Ano na yun? What should I do? Prepare yourself and make this house safe. What? Work.
Hala, walang pagkain.
Okay, gets ko na. Do we have food? Wala pala tayong pagkain. We need to buy food. We need to work. Wala. Jake! Where are you? We need to buy food.
Asan ka?
Jake! Jake!
Need natin bumili ng food.
We need to do shop.
Okay, bakit may mga dugo-dugo? May mga dugo-dugo.
Let's go outside muna. Tama na tayo dito sa labas. Tama tayo sa kanila. Yo, ano to? Some blood. May dugo. We need to drive na. Work muna tayo sa work. We need to work muna. Okay. What's we gonna do? Let's talk this guy muna. Worker. Hey, you good? Want to work? Yes. I need to work. Just grab the box and put them into the truck. Simple, right? Yes. For each box loaded into the truck, you earn $8. Okay, pwede na. Did you see what people are saying around here? No? No, what are they saying? A small town near here, everyone disappeared from it early this morning. What? Nobody knows where anyone went. Hindi nila, saan kaya napunta yun? When you're free, come work. Remember at night close. Okay. I need to work. I need to grab this. Okay, let's go. Let's go. Wait. Bilis magkapera. Easy money. Pero nakakapagod to. Punta tayo market mamaya. Next. We need to buy some, na. Let's go now. Alis na tayo. Gabi na. Let's go to the market. Let's go to the house muna.
Asan na kayo?
Pumunta ka lang sa driveway. Sa kotse. Chill, oh. Okay, tulog na tayo. 2 days left. Let's go na. Yo, may pulis! Bumaba kayo dito, may mga pulis.
Yeah. Relax. How?
Talk natin to.
Good morning. Are you alone? Yes.
Yes. Yes, yesterday about the donut. Be careful, people nearby are disappearing. Stay inside at night. There's something at the door, don't open it. Okay. Yung mga pulis na.
Luto na yung pasit canton.
Umalis na yung mga pulis. Let's go na. Nagtatrabaho pa sila doon. Ako dito muna sa bahay. Kailangan ko uminom ng tubig. Nauhaw na ako. Oh, we have some food na. We have food here. Oh, Verity, you're here. Let me go to the computer. You? What's happening? Ba't may butas doon? More, one day na lang, bukas na mangyayari yun. Kailangan natin magtrabaho. Oh no. Kailangan pala natin magtrabaho. Grabe. Magagabi na ulit. Tagal ko nagtrabaho dito. Okay, marami na tayong pera para ma-safe na yung bahay natin. Doon sa ano. Okay, gabi na. Let's go to home na muna. Okay. Let's go home. We need to lock the door. Yo, today na. Ngayon na. Need to be prepared. Kailangan natin mag-ingat. Nandito sa refrigerator. Yes. Okay, let's go. May sensor na tayo dito. May sensor na tayo. Ready na tayo dito, mama. Let's check kung may kakaiba dito sa labas. Nalock na yung pinto. Lock mo na yung pinto. Alas ka muna dyan, ako muna. Pati, yo. Ano yun? May nasisira. What we gonna do? Yo. Let's go. Yo, what is that? Yo! You need to get up! Alis ka na dyan!